Ganito din.
Hindi. Hindi nilalagyan ng telepono.
Welcome to Maldives! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Maldives. And, pinagbawalan kaming magsuot ng short kasi Muslim yung mga nandito. Kaya nakaganto ko ng outfit.
Okay, 8 people, I can give you 145.
Eh, nakapayong ako, sobrang init, guys.
It's a good discount.
Mahal naman. 50. 50.
150, yeah, 150.
50. I said 50 only.
Oh, no, not 50. It's okay.
50.
Charge us anyway.
Sobrang mahal ng
I
mga ano
give you
dito.
good price.
Okay.
145.
We met halfway. 140. At Maldives.
Ano ba sa akin ba natin?
Now I need to pee. Oh yeah?
Later, no? We're in Maldives, guys. Let's go na, RJ. And I'm gonna use my umbrella again kasi sobrang init dito, guys. Maitim na nga tayo, mangingitim pa tayo. Tinatawanan ako, oh. May kasama akong naka-umbrella din dito, oh. Yan, oh. Saan tayo? Ay, magta-taxi pa muna tayo? Saan na tayo pupunta?
I had under your umbrella.
Ella. Oy, Adolf. Don't dance here.
Oh really?
Twerk. Why are you twerking? Saan kayo? We are going in which island?
Which island are we going? What's it? Malambo Bubo.
Guli.
Walang bubo.
What bubo? You bubo?
Sasakay kami sa ganyan. And mag-wait lang kami ng car. Ay, taxi pala. Magaganto tayo, mag-ferry. Yeah, good luck, guys. Good luck, Adolf. Because this one is very shaky. You can?
Red flag?
Sasakay na kami ng ferry. Papunta sa public island. Yan, oh. Ah,
Inside your bag. Noodle? Why? Why would I have noodle in my car?
do this. Nag-aaway na naman yung kasama kong dalawa. They are fighting again.
Oh.
You.
No? Because plenty saliva in your pillow, man.
What? He's telling us
Maybe
something.
from you, no? After I was last night,
And then he didn't know.
Oh, you know, it was, and he was sleeping, deep asleep when you were enjoying. See? See? Oh. Okay. Song he was singing like
It's not allowed to wear sandal short here. That's why I'm wearing this one. See, and then he's wearing jacket also. And then shirt. This one,
jacket.
yeah. Same jacket with Yas. We are going in the beach and then we are wearing like this. We're here na, guys.
Tama, lens like this or something.
It's not Samsung. I'm gonna ask later in the
the water. Then I can see. And then they will swim.
I'm gonna use again my payong. Si Payong, oh. Oh, di ba? Kung naglalakad ka dyan sa gilid, kung nakipayong ka.
Yeah, she will buy short.
Yeah.
Basta I can give you my
Give,
boxers.
give me money first.
You want
I will pay you later, Adolf.
my boxers?
Buti na lang, nakapagbalot ako ng pansit. Bawal din kumain sa public area. Bawal din uminom kasi Ramadan dito. Muslim yung mga nakatira dito, guys. Nagpa-fasting sila. Hindi na pa kami naglalakad. And bumili lang ako ng short. Bumili lang ako ng short ko, pang bata. We're here na.
What are they gonna open for food?
Wow. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Buti na lang nagdala ko ng payong. Wow. Parang Boracay siya, oh.
Wow.
Saan tayo? Sobrang init. And magsiswim. Ay, Adolf, you gonna swim? I'm gonna swim with the umbrella. Payong ako.
How did you pass the SC?
You know what? In the other country, they're not using umbrella for the sun protection. Only in like a rain protection. But in the Philippines, we are using it both with sun and then rain. So dito na kami. Nagsiswimming na, oh.
Sino gusto ng dates?
Date lang. Ay, sarap ng cheese nila.
Wala akong pake.
Parang Eden cheese lang.
Hindi.
Dates. Hindi ka kasama ng kakad mo. Dapat makaamon mo, may ganito na rin. Hindi, ano, may kwalya.
Oh, maglagay kayo ng marami sa mukha. Baka makamati. Wala kami yan. Ganda.
Baka,
What happened? We need
let's go to the other side now.
We just take pictures there.
They are near the...
Dagdag yung sartihan.
Nagsakay kami ng ng truck. Sinakay kami ng truck kasi ayaw nila kami isakay kasi basa kami. Kaya nag-truck kami. From Mountain Province.